So, welcome to the English workshop. Here you're going to play some games that they're going to explain to you.
First, you have to do two groups. You four, go there, please. And you four, go here.
Around the table.
Around the table, please.
Stay around the table.
We are going to play two games, and the first is Pictionary.
The Pictionary is like a member of the group. My friends are going to give you a word, yeah, a word, and a member of the group have to draw in the paper that word, and the other members have to guess the word.
2, 1, let's go.
Look.
Yeah.
What is that?
What is? What is it? What's the name?
Cacao.
Yeah. One
Another
guess.
change.
What's that?
A river.
Yep.
No, you're right.
A doctor.
Yeah. Game is called Word Scramble. So we're going to give you some letters, and with that you have to do a word.
With the letters. No, you have to make a word.
Make a word, like put it in order.
Yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, let's go.
Teacher.
We have it.
We have it.
No. She said that this is a subject of the school.
It's a subject. Think.
You are in the workshop.
Very good. Very good. Yeah.
My friend is going to give you a topic, to say you a topic, and you have to say words related with that topic. For example, if you have the bomb and the bomb explodes in you, you are out and you are eliminated.
Yes. So we're going to start. Numbers. 1. Word. Like round.
Oh.
30.
So you're out. I'm sorry. Grandmother.
Grandfather. Cozy. Daughter.
Out. Go.
Out. 36. 79. 65.
Oh.
Glasses. Sweater. Hat. Jacket.
Something you wear
On your,
there.
on your feet.
Yeah.
And the winner is, what's your name?
Ines.
Ines.